जी, अरे अब तक कहाँ थे आप?
So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Word or Office for free in your laptop. So let's begin.
जी बताइए बताइए।
So first of all, you just need to open on your Microsoft Edge. Right now you just need to go on search bar and type Microsoft Store. Okay, after that scroll down and you can see this is top free apps Microsoft Store. So just open this link. Okay, right now you can see at the top right corner there have a search bar, search icon. Click on here and right here Office and then search it. Okay, after that you just need to select shop from here and then you need to click apps or show all. Click on here and then here you can see all are paid version. And only this one is for free, so just back and open again. You can see it's open. So right now click get in store app. Click on here. Right now here you can see it's loading and here you can see I already installed it and already signed in, that's why it's showing open. So if you are first time, you just need to sign in with your Gmail. So right now click on open. So after open on this, here you can see this is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all are here. You can easily use it. So don't worry, this is web version. You can save it and download it for your use or share. So this is the way you can easily use it very easily. So I hope you can understand and hope guys this video can help you. Don't
यहाँ भाई भाई के लिए मुफ्त में 1 रुपया भी नहीं देता है और हमारे लिए आप इतना बड़ा ऑफर दे रहे हैं सर, उसके लिए हमें क्या करना होगा सर?
help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.